Hey guys, Tyson Deaver here, back again for another video on the YTS IGTV series. I hope you're doing well. We're talking traffic safety once again today, more in particular backup collisions. Now, this may sound funny, but a lot of your collisions do come from backing up a vehicle, and this proves to be difficult for some. So I'm going to give you some tips and some pointers that you can take and apply if you're backing up a vehicle to help avoid an accident. Okay, number one is do a walk around before you ever get in the vehicle to leave the spot. Do a walk around. Okay, you're probably going to have cars parked on both sides of you. Take a mental note of how much space that you have on each side. Do a walk around, look in the back of the vehicle to make sure nothing or anybody is back behind you. Just do a walk around so you know exactly what you're working with. As you go to leave the spot, obviously you're going to go straight back as far as you can before you have to cut the wheel. If there's cars beside you, obviously that's going to cut down the distance you have between you and the car next to you when you start cutting the wheels. So always do a walk around. Number two, back in or drive through a spot. Okay. Now, when you go to park the vehicle, if you can back in, that is always best, because when it's time to leave, you just pull straight out and you're gone. Or if the parking spot allows you to, you can pull straight ahead and go all the way through the spot. This is especially true if you're parking on like the side of a road where when you leave, you know there's going to be traffic coming. A lot of accidents do happen like this because the cars are going fairly fast on that road. So it's hard to see behind you. If you can back in, if you can do a drive-through on the parking spot, obviously do that. The third part of this is backup cameras. Okay, a lot of your cars in this day and age have a backup camera that is factory installed. This helps tremendously. If you're driving a car that does not have this factory installed, there are some aftermarket products that are relatively cheap that you can apply to your car, whether that's a license plate bracket or if you can attach it to the car itself. But there's a lot of products out there that are available and, like I said, relatively inexpensive. But it's going to give you another eye in the back of your car just to kind of see what's going on and see what's directly behind you. And the fourth part of this, the fourth tip, is never be distracted. Guys, I know we talk about that a lot, and I mention that a lot, but I can't say it enough. Don't be distracted. Backing up a car where you can't really see, you're limited in what you can see behind you. If you add a distraction to that, obviously it's just going to add to the chances of having an accident. So there's some tips and some pointers you can take to help you be better drivers when you're backing up vehicles. Guys, as always, if you have a question, comment, or something you want to see on this channel, shoot it over to me. I'm going to do the best I can to get that on video for you. Until next video, guys, be safe, wash your hands, and y'all be safe.